Well, hey, good morning, everybody. It's early. It's a guide's life. It's fishing time. Anyway, it's about 5:30. Headed out to put a few gallons of gas in the boat and head over to the marina. I've got a trip this morning, and I fully expect to have a good time. It poured last night, and thank God it did. I mean, it rained for maybe 3.5 hours hard. So that's good. We need water. That's a very good thing. But anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along here as usual, and we'll see how the day goes. We'll be back. Captain Dave Schneider.
Soon we'll be 30 years old.
Yep. All gassed up. Here we go. Hey guys, good morning. It's Captain Dave Schneider. It's a guide's life, and oh, hey, looky here. That fish just got physical. Now we're gonna here he comes right here. Go ahead and reel to him. Reel to him. Reel to him. Reel to him. Okay, stop right there. Get ready to set the hook on him.
All right.
We got a bass that just smashed a shiner here. Sarah's gonna do. Oh, no, don't reach. Point at him. Point at him. He's going hard. Ready? You need to set the hook on yours. He's hooked. Oh, there he goes. You ready, Sarah?
Yep.
Where is he at? We're gonna have a double here. What we're gonna wind up with, I think, if we're not careful. Spit it out here. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, hit him.
Oh, too soon.
No, I don't. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna leave you alone. Okay. I think that that's my bad. I can't. I'm embarrassed. I'm absolutely embarrassed. But hey, listen, I want to introduce you to everybody. All right. This is Sarah. Sarah, tell me your last name.
Huskins.
Huskins. I actually had that written down, but you guys all know how I am. Here's the tricky part. Now say hey, Sarah.
Hey. How are y'all doing?
No. Say hey, Sarah.
Hey, Sarah.
If you ever watch my vlog, you'll understand that. And are you husband and wife?
Yes, sir.
This is Sarah's husband, Bill. Say hey, Bill.
Hey, Bill.
See, Bill got it figured out already. All right. Listen, we're right out here on the point out of Uncle Joe's Cut in the lake. You can see the lake behind us here, and we've had our fits this morning, but we'll figure it out. We've had bite after bite. We had one come off about 5 pounds, and we just caught one about 1.5 pounds, and Sarah got first fish in the boat here a little bit ago. But anyway, I just want to introduce you to everybody, and we'll keep you posted. I'll get this thing running. So we'll be back. You can hit him anytime. Reel to him and hit him. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, there she is. That's good. You don't need reeling. Good job. That's a little bit better one.
Nice.
That fish. Oh, he got him, didn't he? And that's a bass too, little bugger. Yeah, little bugger. It almost dropped the whole rig. Yeah, I'll edit that part out. Or maybe I won't. Anyway, listen, hey, we got 5 fish in our first stop out here, but I don't like it. I don't like the way it feels, and I don't like being too close to other guides. So we're gonna make a little run, and we're gonna fish some stuff on the other side of the Spoil Islands inside East Wall there. So anyway, we'll be back. That's a fish. That's a bass, bro. That's a bass. You can even tell by the bite, couldn't you?
Yes.
You can even tell by the bite. Good for you, bro. Nicely done. right, guys, listen. I'm gonna tell you right now, we've had a bit of a struggle today. It's the weather, really, no complaints. We've had some overcast. You know, we've had a kind of a hazy day all day, and I would have thought that might help us a little bit. And actually, it killed the shiner fishing was squat. I mean, it was not very good actually. But the artificial bite's been good. It really has been. But I got to tell you, this is, you know, I haven't fished with a lot of young ladies, and even men for that matter. But I haven't fished with very many young ladies who really are fine-tuned and really understand what it is that they're doing. And a little bit earlier, I had Sarah's been fishing with a June bug swimming worm, and she caught a couple fish on it. And you know, in my haphazard way, I just grabbed another bag and hooked on another worm. She looked right at me and she said, "That's not June bug, that's June bug red." I'm like, it don't matter. And then it quickly occurred to me that it really mattered to her. I'm seriously. Now you ask yourself honestly, when there's not a whole lot of difference between June bug and June bug red. But she said, "Look, there's red flakes in it." I'm like, "All right, well." So I had dug around and got her a bag of June bug, and she's been wearing them out. So, yep. But that's not something I've seen every day. Listen. We got about 35-40 minutes here, and we're still looking for a big bite. Now we had one earlier that definitely was probably about 5 pounds on a shiner that never really got a hook into, but it came out of the water to the point where you saw it pretty good. But we've been going up and down a grass line here out in East Wall, and there's fish all over. And so they're eating sunfish back here that are spawning, and we're pitching our baits to them. So we're gonna go at it for another half hour or so, 40 minutes, and then we'll check back with you. Hopefully we'll get a big one. We'll be back.
I think that was a mudfish.
Oh, that's a bass eating shiner or bluegill over there. Did you see that? Pop, 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 and it's over there swimming. Look at it swimming. Look at he stunned it.
Yeah, I saw.
I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna grab. Well, listen, Sunshine. We might be down to our last 2, and then you're gonna have to change colors.
All right.
Did you have a bite? You had a bite, didn't you?
Watermelon candy.
Watermelon candy. My God, she's even now specifically asking for colors. I actually might. I might actually. How do you, yeah.
I don't know if.
Hell, I'm not even sure I know what watermelon candy is.
You know, it'd be good for the amount of sunlight that's coming through and making all those sparkles go.
The sparklies. You think the sparklies.
Sparklies.
All the sparklies.
Oh, the sparklies. Well, I'd throw back over there again because that was a fish. Okay. If it doesn't matter a whole lot when it's a pound fish or a 2-pound fish, but this is the honest truth, all right? If you got an 8-pounder or 9-pounder and you set the hook on them and you go like this, you have one chance in a big fish battle to set the tone, and that's on the hook set. If you set the hook up, there's a good chance you'll see their face, and if you see their face, you're going to touch them, okay? More often than not, because they're not going to get in the stuff, all right? But if you set the hook sideways, all you're really doing is pulling the fish into the cover. Does that make sense to you? And so that's the rationale behind setting up high across your chest and and across your chin. That's the reason why. Don't let your muscle memory from fishing dictate how you always fish. Right. Because every situation is a little bit different. Every technique is a little bit different. So be mindful. Hey guys, Captain Dave, just putting the finishing touches on the vlog tonight. And I'll tell you what, there's not going to do any football tonight. So my apologies to all my hardcore football fans. But I'll tell you, I'm going to put a song at the end of the video here. And if you don't have to listen to it if you don't want to, it's about 2 minutes long. It's not a real long song. But I got a new subscription to a website called Epidemic. I think it's Epidemic Audio or something like that. Yeah, it's like Epidemic Sound is what it's called. And there's a subscription you pay, but every song, every bit of the music, every bit of everything is duty free. I mean, you're free to use them. You can put them right in your videos. You don't have to do notations or annotations. It's just you're good to go, and it's really cool. So I put this together. I don't want to talk very long because I want this to be done. But listen. I put this together. You actually can download each aspect of a song and then play with it. And so I kind of did that here. I moved the drums around. I moved the audio and the keyboards and the guitar and everything. I don't know. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, keep it to yourself. But listen, do me a favor. If you liked the video today, Captain Dave back on the water. If you liked the video today, do me a favor and please like it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Click on my face. It'll be on here at some point right near the end here. Click on my face and subscribe. And if you got any friends, for God's sakes, let them know. All right? We're building a fire. Captain Dave Schneider, It's a Guide's Life. I'll see you tomorrow.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my